What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2006 Yamaha Roadliner 1900. This is kind of a change in the generations of cruisers, going to the 1900 for the Yamaha, the Roadliner. This is their first stab at one of the big bikes. So yeah, let's take a quick walk around this thing. This is a 2006. It's got some miles on it. Has a few imperfections, but we're going to find those along the way. We're going to start with the back tire. The back tire is looking to be in really good shape. Plenty of life, a lot of miles left on that. Good to go for a while. Here on the back fender, we got a mark right here on the edge of the fender. Not sure what caused that. You get the tail light here, but then these turn signals, I'm not sure what happened to them. This is how I got it. It's got the duct tape on there and got the good old shoestring holding that bad boy together. Not sure why that is that way, but that's how I got it. This back part is probably the worst part of the bike, is that, and then this thing looks like the guy had a sticker here over the Yamaha and took it off, and it did not come off very well. So other than that, this back of this bike is looking not too bad. You know, got a small chip there, got a chip there, but got the bags on here. The bags looking decent. Lift this up. There you go, you can see in there. Yeah, so then coming around the side here, going down low, you can see the exhaust. It's got the Cobra pipes. There's Cobra on there. The long shots or whatever they want to call them. Yeah, the side panel is looking to be in pretty decent shape. No like dents or dings or scratches or anything there. Got the passenger floorboard. Got the rider floorboard, got the rear brake. Up here on the tank, this paint is looking pretty decent. I think it's got a little bit of flake in it. It is black, but I see some glisten, so it's a nice look. Don't miss out on the test drive of this video that Sean did. It'll be up on YouTube, so you can see this thing out on the road, as well as seeing all the details that we go over here in the walk around. And the motor bay, everything's looking pretty good. It's not leaking anything. It runs well, fires right up. Yeah, so that's that. Come up here to the top, hit the mirror, hit the throttle, brake, all that stuff. With the front fairing. It does have this wing fairing, which is pretty decent looking. It does have some, I think these are just like bug juice, but got a little bit of dirt there on it. But no scratches or giant like dents or dings or anything like that. There's a little bit of swirl pattern in here, almost like someone cleaned it with something just a little bit too abrasive. There's your front headlight, 2 front turn signals. These are in better shape than the back ones. They're looking pretty good. Fork tube's looking decent. I don't see any rust or pitting or anything like that. There's you get the dual rotors up front, as you can see there. See the big front wheel. Here on the nose, got a little scratch here, and there as well. But the rest of it is looking to be in pretty good shape. So yeah. And you get the front tire. The front tire's got plenty of life left on it. Definitely gonna pass inspection. Got a lot of miles left on that bad boy. So we're gonna spin this around so you can see from this side. See the rotor on this side. See this fork tube. Looking good. All the way up in the front fairing. With the mirror, clutch, all that. And we're here at the tank. Got some marks right there in the tank and right there. But it doesn't look like chips or anything, just kind of in the clear coat. The rest of it looks to be in pretty good shape. Same thing with the motor on this side. Got your rider floorboard, got your shifter. It does have the heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. See your kickstand down here. Got your passenger floorboard. There's the side panel on this side. Again, the matching bags on this side. Decent sized bags. Up here on the side, on the top, and you see the sissy bar, passenger seat, and rider seat, all looking to be in really good shape. No tears or rips or anything like that. Just a little bit of dirt there. Up here on top of the tank, looking to be pretty good. Got this chrome accent piece. Got one little mark right there. Kind of got that retro looking gauge. Turn it on so you guys can see that. Sweet. It has 29,087 miles. And there'll be a few more on there after Sean's test drive. Make sure you check that out. Fire it up so you guys can hear it run. Turn that off so you guys can hear me talk. Yeah, so we're just gonna check the turn signals real quick. Got the rear signal on this side. Got the front signal on this side. And the other side. Rear signal on this side. And the front signal on this side. There you can see the headlight is on as well. Again, guys, this is a 2006 Yamaha Roadliner. It is the 1900cc motor. Do not miss out on this bike, and thanks so much for watching.